Hey guys, Kenny here and welcome back. Kitang-kita naman sa title, today's video is going to be all about Mae Layug's makeup brand, and that is Get Ready With Me Cosmetics. And I am super happy because finally, nandito na yung makeup brand niya because minsan kasi napag-uusapan namin to kapag nag-chat kami sa Instagram. And ever since, na sinabi niya nga sa akin na maglo-launch siya ng makeup brand, I cannot wait, talagang gusto kong masubukan yung product and gusto kong malaman. So yeah, today I'm going to be sharing with you yung aking thoughts about the product, yung swatches, of course. And also, sasagutin ko din yung mga questions na binigay niyo sa Instagram. Meron kasi akong ginawang mini Q&A about Get Ready With Me, kaya naman ayun guys, today sagutin natin yung ilan sa kanila. If you guys want to know my thoughts sa first product na nilabas ng Get Ready With Me Cosmetics, of course, just keep on watching. 6 yung shades na meron dito sa kanilang first launch and yung tawag sa product is Milk Tint. 5 yung claims ng product. First, it is lightweight. Second, it is buildable. Third, long-lasting, blendable, and also pigmented. 3 yung main ingredients na meron siya, and that is shea butter, macadamia oil, and also vitamin E. It retails for 249 pesos and of course, cruelty-free and paraben-free. In terms of availability naman, this one is available sa Lazada and Shopee. Packaging looks like this, and as you can see, it is super cute and very millennial. Sa isang side, nakalagay yung picture or illustration ng actual component. And on the other sides, nakalagay yung info like yung description, how to use, ingredients, and lahat ng mga kailangan nyo pang malaman. On top, of course, nakalagay yung shade name so that you can easily identify kung anong shade siya. Actual component looks like this, and as you can see, squeezy tube siya. Maganda yung actual component niya because it's very simple yet merong dating, di ba? At the back, nakalagay kung saan nyo siya pwedeng gamitin. As you can see, meron siyang nozzle and sobrang pino ng kanyang tip, which is perfect so that makontrol nyo yung amount of product na lumalabas. Meron kasi mga instances na kapag ka squeezy tube yung packaging, medyo messy. Kontrolado talaga yung lumalabas na product and also mas malinis siya. And meron din siyang included na free label sticker na pwede nyo ilagay sa actual tube para matrack nyo kung kailan yung expiration niya. And that is actually a very smart idea. I love it. By the way, this is how the PR package looks like just in case gusto nyong makita. And as you can see, napakalaki ng box. Pero ang maganda kasi dito guys is that even though malaki siya, ayan, tingnan nyo, wala siyang kahit anong slots inside kaya pwede nyong i-reuse. And ganito yung sinasabi kong klase ng PR na mas prefer ko guys, yung something na pwede nyong gamitin afterwards because kapag ka meron siyang slot and also yung slot is yung hindi natatanggal, parang di ba nga, wala siyang point. And napag-usapan na din namin to ni May nung nagkausap kami sa Instagram na medyo malaki nga daw yung ano niya, PR package, kaya kinabahan ako. But I'm really happy na, ayun nga, useful siya and talagang pwedeng gamitin after. Anyway, ito yung first item inside the PR package. Mirror siya, and ayan, nagsastand, super nice. Ang lakas maka homebodies, di ba? Team Kahoy. Aside sa mirror, kasama din tong Smooch and Get Ready With Me collab, which is a stencil for swatching. And look at that, sobrang cute na mga stencils. Meron tayong heart, merong lips, merong dog and cat, of course, merong milk tea na favorite ni May. And meron din itong simple lang. We also have this one. Ang bongga, diba? Ang daming laman ng PR. And this one naman, I believe, are stickers. And look at that, diba? Sobrang cute ng mga design. We also have this sticker which is same doon sa kasama sa box kapag bumili kayo ng tint. And again, eto pwede nyo siyang gamitin para ilagay sa inyong makeup just in case gusto nyong matrack kung kailan yung expiration niya. This is actually super smart. I feel like wala pang local brands or kung sino man na nakita ko na gumawa ng ganito. And lastly, we have the actual PR package. And sobrang cute niya. Para siyang vending machine. Vending or vendo machine, I'm not sure. Once you open it, this is how it looks like. As you can see, super nice ng packaging, super cute. I love it. And ang simple lang, di ba? Kaya hindi masakit sa mata. And this one din, guys, sobrang nice ng box kasi pwede siyang i-reuse because etong pinaka-slot, actually, natatanggal siya. Ayun, di ba? Look at that. Pwede nyo paglagay ng mga gamit para hindi nakakalat. And also, it is cute, di ba? Pwedeng-pwede ding ipang-display. Mag-demo naman tayo this time, and for my cheeks, ang gagamitin ko is itong shade na Cheesecake. Ito kasi yung lightest and pinakagusto kong kulay sa cheeks, kaya ito yung gamitin natin. Look at that amount, diba? Konti lang siya, tuldok lang. This is my finger, and look at that. Once you blend it, it is very pigmented. And also guys, nakapag na nga rin pala ako, foundation and powder. And ayun siya guys, look at that shade. Sobrang love na love ko tong shade na to guys. As in the moment I saw this, alam ko na magugustuhan ko siya and hindi naman ako nagkamali. Medyo pinkish siya kaya sobrang natural and ang ganda. Perfect for everyday, I swear. Kung yung hanap nyo ang kulay is yung parang nainitan ka lang tapos namula ka or kaya kinilig, ito yung masasabi kong pinakamagandang gamitin. I-apply natin siya using our finger. And ito yung first time ko guys na gagawin to or i-apply using finger kasi nung winner test ko siya, gumamit din ako ng brush. And ito lang yung amount of product na ilalagay ko guys kasi I feeling ko hindi ko na kailangan pang damihan because ano naman skin to skin contact. 'Di ba? Hindi naman siya kakapit sa brush or sponge. And here you have it. This is how the product looks like kapag finger yung ginamit. Hindi niya naman na-move totally yung aking base. I mean, medyo may konting-konti lang na nag-lift the foundation. But given naman na yun, especially di ba kapag move yung brush, talagang mag-move siya. But I feel like if you're going to just dab it or stipple it, for sure. Hindi naman madi-disturb totally ng product yung base. Anyway, moving on. So this time, sa lips naman natin siyang i-apply. And again, mag-start tayo kay Cheesecake. Cheesecake looks like this, and as you can see, perfect siyang MLBB shade. Di ba look at that? Sobrang ganda niya kasi it looks very natural as in parang in-enhance niya lang yung kulay ng lips ko. Definitely one of my top favorites sa lahat ng shades kasi this is so me eh. Ito yung klase ng shade na ginagamit ko eh. This one is Wintermelon. Wintermelon naman looks like this and alam niyo na siguro sasabihin ko na hindi talaga ako mahilig sa ganitong shade. Yung sobrang orangey or parang peach na masyadong mataas yung pagka-orange. If that makes sense. Kahit anong brand pa yan, expensive man or local, kapag ka talaga orange, hindi ko bet. And alam kong marami sa inyong mahilig sa ganitong shade. Kaya naman, if you want to get your hands on this, by all means, go ahead, bilhin nyo. Kasi maganda naman talaga siya eh. Nagkataon lang talagang orange is not my color. Feeling ko hindi siya bagay sa akin. This next one naman is Okinawa. And feeling ko it is also medyo orangey. But let's see, subukan muna natin. Okinawa looks like this kapag nakalagay na siya sa lips. And to be honest, at first, akala ko it's too orangey kasi when you look at the packaging, or even yung kulay niya dito sa pinaka-tip, parang sobrang orangey or brick nung kanyang kulay. But once you apply it sa lips, hindi naman kasi medyo ano siya reddish. Maganda yung kulay niya guys kasi even though it's a little bit dark, it is still super wearable and perfect for everyday. Maganda siya especially kapag faded yung edges kasi diba ang lakas maka-Korean ng vibes kapag diffused siya. This one I'm holding is called Fruit Tea. Ayan guys ha, ganito lang yung amount na nilalagay ko. Fruit tea looks like this and as you can see, parang siyang medyo may pinkish red and sobrang on point and perfect ng kulay niya, especially ngayong summer kasi diba medyo bright siya. Kung yung hanap niyong lip product or multi-use product is yung kayang mag-add ng pop of color sa face, definitely ito yung shade na maire-recommend ko kasi diba ayan o, matingkad siya pero hindi siya masakit sa mata and hindi siya yung nakakatakot gamitin. Diba parang ano lang siya, cute, sweet, girly, ganun lang yung vibes niya. This one is called 100% Sugar. I love this one as well, guys. Again, this one is called 100% Sugar and as you can see, parang medyo may pagka-old rose na mauve yung kulay and ang ganda. This is actually my first time using this on my lips kasi na-swatch ko lang siya sa aking arm. But grabe, ang ganda ng kulay niya, I swear. And for sure, ito yung isa sa mga shades na palagi kong gagamitin sa lahat. I feel like I need to stock out this one kasi ang ganda niya, guys. At panigurado, palaging magso-sold out to. Final shade na susubukan natin is called Mixed Berries. Ito naman si Mixed Berries and as you can see, super classic ng kulay niya. It is the kind of shade na bagay sa kahit anong skin tone and ang maganda sa kanya is that blue-based red siya kaya hindi nakaka-yellow ng teeth. I honestly don't have anything bad to say dito sa kulay na to because again, it is a classic shade. Bagay nga siya sa kahit anong skin tone, sa kahit anong age, sa kahit anong occasion. So basically, talagang staple siya and ito yung shade na parang I feel like everyone should have. Tsaka diba kapag fair skin ka, mas nakakaputi siyang tignan. That is the complete swatches nitong Milky Tint and sana po nakatulong siya. And yung pag-usapan muna natin is yung formula and consistency ng tint. Formula guys ha, sobrang nagustuhan ko yung formula niya kasi different siya. I mean, hindi kasi siya yung usual or standard na klase ng tint na nakikita natin. Hindi kasi siya gel type or kaya water type. And also, hindi din naman cream. Well, actually cream, pero iba kasi yung consistency. But definitely, this one contains oil. Kasi diba, nakalagay naman sa ingredient na meron siyang shea butter, macadamia oil, and vitamin E. And that is definitely the reason kung bakit kapag sinuswatch siya, especially kapag heavily, sobrang creamy, sobrang parang soft, almost like butter. And kitang-kita naman dito, di ba, kapag nag-move siya, meron siyang konting dewiness or sheen. But if you have oily skin kagaya ko, I feel like mas okay siya kung medyo idadust nyo ng konting translucent powder just to make sure and para ma-secure siya. Pigmentation-wise, kitang-kita nyo naman, di ba, sa swatches and even sa application, a little goes a long way. As in, kahit one dot lang, malaking area na ng face yung kaya niyang malagyan. Kaya naman siguradong matipid siya at talagang maglalast. Tsaka diba, kitang-kita nyo naman sa demo, it's easy to work with. Hindi nyo kailangang madali, as in you can take your time para i-blend siya. And also diba, even though ginamit ko siya on top of my makeup, hindi niya na-rub completely yung aking base. As in, konti lang. Dito lang sa area na to, pero hindi naman ganun ka-noticeable unless super lapit mo. Next clip is yung aking first impression naman and wear test. Kung ano yung itsura niya after some hours. By the way, it is currently 5:22. Pupunta po ako ng palengke and ng grocery. Mamaya ko na ayusin yung hair ko, guys. So, please excuse. Tapos, lagay din tayo ng konting base, guys. This one is the Easy & Co Skin Tint. Wala lang. Gusto ko lang mag very light base, guys. Just to see if it performs well even on top of, you know, other products. Tsaka para din ma-even out yung aking skin tone. Ito yung complete swatches ng tint. I got the screenshot from Erica Lim. And I think sa aking cheeks yung gagamitin ko is yung lightest. And sa lips, etong shade number 5. This is how the shade Cheesecake looks like. And kapag binlend siya, wow. Sobrang pigmented, guys. May watermelon siya, bango. I love the color, guys. It looks so nice. Very natural looking. And dito din, guys, maglagay tayo ng konti para nakakamistiza. Gamit lang tayo ng konti powder to set the face. Pero konting-konti lang para lang mag-mattify siya. I have oily skin kasi kaya I have to make sure na, you know, sinasat ko yung base ko para ma-mattify siya and hindi mag-slide agad. So, balik lang tayo dun sa ginamit nating brush, sa tint, and yan, i-dab natin ulit siya on top. Sorry guys, ang ingay sa labas kasi ang daming bata. But anyway, on my lips, yung shade na gagamitin ko again is Sea Fruit. Initially, I thought na medyo orangey yung kulay niya, but hindi naman. Medyo may pagka-pinkish siya, kaya ang ganda. It looks very natural sa lip. Very comfortable on the lips. Maganda yung formula niya for first impressions. Tsaka since hindi matte yung finish niya, it doesn't look drying on the lips. Hindi na-emphasize yung texture. Very hydrated and supple tingnan yung lip. Time check, it is now 5:41.
One eternity later.
10:43. So I think parang 5 hours natin tinest or more than 5 hours. Medyo nag-fade na siya ng konti, but it still looks decent, and I feel like if you have normal skin, you don't need to worry kasi talagang okay yung staying power niya. And ayan, this is how my face mask looks like after probably 45 to an hour. Medyo nag-transfer siya, but hindi naman ganun kadami yung transfer, which is perfect. And I feel like kung mas sinat ko pa yung face ko ng powder, or kung nag-bake ako, definitely mas konti yung magiging transfer dito sa mask. But actually, not bad pa din eh, kasi diba, look at that. Again, a very minimal transfer lang, and parang majority nung nag-transfer is yung ano naman eh, base ko, yung skin tint na ginamit ko. But look at that, sa lip area, super minimal lang. And even dito, wala namang masyadong red. So yeah, for me, to make it short longevity-wise, okay na okay siya sa akin and pasado. Mag Q&A naman tayo this time. First question is from Francine, and yung tanong niya is it FDA approved? Knowing Mae Layug, I am 100% sure na yung mga products niya are FDA approved. We also have a question from Shay Untod. Hopefully tama yung pag-pronounce ko. But anyway, yung question niya is kung pwede ba siyang gamitin on top of powder or prior to setting the face. The answer is yes, pwede siyang gamitin on top of powder or kaya underneath. And actually, nagawa ko na yun, guys, both way, and I can definitely tell you na kahit anong way nyo siyang gamitin, maganda yung kakalabasan. But of course, please keep in mind na kapag ka naglagay kayo ng powder, medyo mag-fade yung kulay niya kasi di ba matatakpan. From Nami Store naman, ang question niya is it worth to buy considering marami ng same na ganyan sa market? For me, definitely worth buying siya, worth trying because like I've said kanina, iba yung formula niya. Hindi siya kagaya ng mga standard na gel or kaya water tint. And hindi mo rin naman masasabing cream siya totally kasi di ba usually yung mga cream blushes, what happens is nagmamattify siya. Pero eto ngang milk tint ng Get Ready With Me since meron siyang shea butter, macadamia oil, and vitamin E. Mas natural yung finish niya and parang nagme-melt sa skin. Next question is from CJ SGP_. Malakit po ba yung tint? Parang thick kasi yung consistency sa mga videos. Thank you po. Actually, you know what? Surprisingly, hindi siya malagkit. Kasi at first, ayun din yung nasa isip ko eh. Kasi di ba when you look at it, parang ang thick ng consistency niya. But surprisingly, kapag nilagay siya sa face, especially kapag konting amount. From J. Aquino, her question is it okay po with oily skin? For me, okay siya sa oily skin. And kitang-kita nyo naman siguro sa wear test kung ano yung itsura niya after some hours. But again, if you have oily skin or extremely oily skin, mas okay sana kung isaset nyo siya that way, mas mag-last. From Ceci Joy, ang question nyo naman is how much po pag set? Actually, may post sila about it and according dito, pwede nyo mabili yung PR kit sa May 15 for 1,494 and complete set na yon. Baliktad pala siya. But ayun guys, if you want to experience the PR kit, pwede nyo siyang mabili. From It's Me Angelica 84, nagiiwan po ba siya ng stain? Lightweight, madali po bang matanggal lalo na sa lips? Nagiiwan po ba siya ng stain? Yes, nagiiwan siya ng konting stain sa lips, especially yung mga darker shades. It is also lightweight, sobrang gaang ng pakiramdam niya. Sa cheeks and sa lips, parang wala kang nilagay. Of course, kung madalas kayong uminom or kaya kumain, especially ng oily food, expect nyo nang matatanggal siya. But what's good about this is that kahit i-layer nyo siya, hindi siya nagiging clumpy or parang namumuumuo. From Isa _ ang question niya is, dewy po ba? Hindi ba siya drying sa face? Definitely hindi siya drying sa face kasi meron siyang vitamin E, shea butter, and macadamia oil. Finish niya is a little bit dewy pero hindi naman siya yung dewy na malagkit tignan or parang sobrang oily. Saktong-sakto lang and parang natural na glow lang yung binibigay. From Emily, ang question niya is, what do you think about the packaging? Yung kung saan po lumalabas yung product, is it nice? I actually love it. I love the idea. Kasi at first, to be honest, parang hindi ko din gets. But nung kinuwento na ni May and nasubukan ko siya, doon ko nakuha and sobrang ganda niya guys. Maganda yung idea behind it. Meron kasing mga squeezy tube na kapag malaki yung butas tapos hindi siya ganito, hindi pointed, what happens is nagiging messy yung gilid. But with this one, since maliit yung tip, all you have to do is i-rotate siya sa inyong arm like that. And ayan, tignan nyo, diba? Sobrang minimal lang nung mess na meron siya. From Arana Michelle _ ang question niya is price point. Again, this one retails for 249 pesos and for me, sobrang reasonable nung price kasi ano lang siya, diba? Parang same lang sa mga available sa market na. Very competitive yung price, hindi siya expensive, hindi din naman super affordable, parang in between. From _Slavy, ang question niya is, will it become oily po if we went outside, especially in the afternoon? Yes, magiging oily siya and actually normal naman yon sa kahit anong makeup product. Kapag ka lumabas ka ng bahay, asahan mo na kapag ka nag-oil up yung face, pati yung product na meron ka sa face, mag-oil up din. From Angel Lianto _ ang question niya is, okay ba siya for dry lips? Yung tipong okay lang kahit walang lip balm. Yes, okay na okay siya if you have dry lips. And again, ako yung makakapag-attest kung yung isang product is pwede ba if you have dry lips kasi sobrang dry ng lips ko, guys. I actually intentionally didn't prep my lips bago mag-film so that you can see kung ano yung itsura niya kapag kanilagay sa lips na walang preparation. And again, look at that. Even though wala akong skin prep, kahit na nawala na yung oil or yung shine na meron yung product, it still looks nice. Medyo na-emphasize lang ng konti yung mga cracks sa aking lips, but other than that, sobrang ganda pa rin yung tignan, di ba? Para ka lang naka-velvet matte lipstick na. From Rona Dimla, ang question niya is, how long will it last po like upon opening and gaano po kadami yung laman? This one contains 8 grams and yung period after opening niya is, yung manufacture date nito is April 2021 and expiration is April 2023. From Naina.looks, ang question niya is it friendly for all Filipino skin tones? Again, 6 yung shades na meron dito kaya I'm very sure na may 1, 2 or 3 dito na paniguradong magugustuhan nyo or babagay sa inyo. Maputi man kayo, morena or deeper yung complexion, for sure, may magwo-work sa inyo dito. From Shyril Olivia, yung question niya is favorite shade. Ito yung 3 shades na favorite ko and nag-stand out sa akin. From top to bottom, we have the shades Cheesecake, Fruity, and 100% Sugar. But kung isa lang talaga guys, definitely Cheesecake yung pinaka-favorite ko. Si Abish Niel, ang question niya is shade reco for mix and match. Etong gamit ko ngayon guys, yung maire-recommend kong pang mix and match. Etong si Cheesecake and Okinawa, sobrang perfect because di ba etong si Cheesecake, nude siya na pink. Pwede nyo siyang i-apply all over the lips tapos i-blur yung edges. Then after that, you can apply the shade 100% Sugar sa inner tapos i-blur nyo siya. Napakaganda ng effect guys, I swear. Etong dalawa for me yung perfect combo. Of course, before I end this video, I just want to say congratulations kay Mae Layug. Sobrang nakaka-proud and nakaka-happy. Talagang nilaban and pinush niya yung dreams niya to make it into a reality. And finally, eto na nga. Masusubukan na nating lahat yung pinaghirapan and pinagpaguran ni May. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much. Stay safe. And I hope to see all of you again on my next one.